is a major factor affecting the quality of education. As a result, teacher training is more critical now than ever because teachers today are struggling with identifying and filling learning gaps in students to bring them up to grade level. Without the right knowledge, tools, and skills, teachers cannot be reasonably expected to navigate these challenges on their own. Thus, the need to give teachers adequate preparation for every new intake to maintain a high-quality teaching standard. At NTIC, we pay a lot of attention to improving our teachers' quality through constant trainings, seminars, and symposiums. Consequently, to ensure continuous quality educational services for the 2023-2024 academic session, NTIC has reinvested heavily into the training and development of its teachers in a 4-day power-packed annual teachers workshop with this year's academic theme tagged Promoting Digital Literacy and Skills. Therefore, our parents and students can trust us for another year of top-notch academic and moral education with the new 21st Century Techno Hub in place. NTIC, the right environment for learning.